Hello students, hope all are fine. This is Lakshmi. Thanks for watching video students. So in this video, I am going to discuss the previous video question answers. Sage of rule, I gave one question. So maybe most of the students who have seen video have solved this question. So check, maybe you tried that one, check your answers students. And next afterwards, I am giving Hoffman rule. In previous video, I had explained Hoffman rule. Case 1, case 2, case 3 I had given. Case 4, little more tricky. So I am giving in this video that one. Okay. Now, Sage of rule in previous video. What is the question? 2-bromopentane. 2-bromopentane. 2-bromopentane reacts with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. What are the products? What are the products? Means 2 you have to write. What is the product? Major, only major you can select. Okay, this is alcoholic KOH, simple one, 2-bromopentane. So bromine, it is not poor living group, it is in good living group, simple base, no, that's why it follows Sage of rule. Sage of rule, first write the structure. Select root word. If they gave name, first selection is root word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2-bromo. Second position, bromine group. Remaining all filled with hydrogens. 1, 2, 3. Your 2, your 2, 3. So this one going to do alcoholic KOH, treating with alcoholic KOH. In previous video, detailed explanation I had given about alcoholic KOH, what we are removing. From alpha carbon, we are removing halogen. From beta carbon, we are removing hydrogen, right? If it is 2 beta carbons, so poor become poorer. Poor become poorer is major product according to Sage. According to Sage. Students, Sage of rule detailed explanation I had given in previous video that you can check it. Poor become poorer is shortcut towards competitive exam. Okay, see this is alpha carbon with respect to bromine halogen. This is alpha carbon. This is beta carbon. Yes, this is also beta carbon. We have 2 beta carbons. Among which beta carbon we will remove hydrogen, major product will decide the Sage of rule. Sage of rule according to definition, more substituted alkane is the major product. But here, see simple logic, what is that? Poor become poorer. Out of these 2 carbons, which is in poor hydrogen, this is in poor hydrogen. There we have to remove. Here you will get between these 2 carbons double bond. If you remove hydrogen here, between these 2 carbons double bond. See, I am writing the product CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH2, CH3. So this is what we call it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2-pentane. 2-pentane. This is major. According to definition also I had explained, according to effect, electronic effect also, what is that? Hyperconjugation. So CH2 double bond, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. So this is what we call it as 1-pentane. Less substituted alkene, this one more substituted alkene. This is minor. This is the solution. Hope everybody solve this one and check your answer now. Now next question, Hoffman's rule, case 4. Case 4, that is more tricky. So generally this type of questions in advanced mains exam, advanced exam we are seeing. Case 4. What is this? I am giving CH2 double bond, CH, CH2, CH, CH, CH3, CH3. This is the alkyl bromide and double bond also there. At beta carbon or adjacent to beta carbon double bond is there double bond is there, it follows Hofmann's rule. It follows Hofmann's rule. Okay, see, with respect to this one, alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, this is beta carbon. Adjacent beta carbon or next to beta. This here beta carbon very next to or else adjacent also. If beta double bond is there, that follows the Hofmann's rule. That gives that follows Hofmann's rule. Major product is least substituted alkene, less substituted alkene. So now this one I am going to treat with base CH3. O minus. Now check the answer. See, first you have to find out beta carbons. Yes, here one beta carbon, here one beta carbon, right? So among these two, Sage's rule product writing is very easy. Poor become poorer. Yes, you can write Sage's product Sage's product first, and you can write that is minor. Next case you can take it as major. That is Hofmann's product, right, students? This is beta. This is beta. Out of these two beta carbons, he is in poor hydrogen. Here we are removing hydrogen. Is Sage's product. CH2 double bond, CH2, CH double bond, CH3. Yes, this is minor, more substituted alkene, according to Hofmann, minor. So now here check it, this beta carbon. If you remove this beta carbon between these two carbons, double bond. Then write CH2 double bond, CH double bond, CH3. Okay, IUPAC names also important. Take numbering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, what is this? 5-methyl. What is this guy name? 5-methyl. Where is the double bond? Like first position double bond. 1 and 2 means least number we have to select. 4 and 5 means least number. 5-methyl. This is substituent we have to write first. No? 5-methyl. What is this guy name? Hex 1,4 diene. This is minor. Major also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing. So write down again here 5-methyl. Root word is not changing. 5-methyl. Where double bonds? First position and third position. That's it. Hex 1,3 diene. That's it. So with the Sage's rule and Hofmann's rule, both I had completed, and first videos I had uploaded Markovnikov rule also. If you have combined these three rules, students, especially Markovnikov rule and Sage's rule, so very easily we can work out the second year Morse questions. I am going to upload today itself some rearrangement questions also. Please watch that. Everyone try it. Where any exam, any competitive exam, you can see most of the questions are rearrangement questions of OP directors. OP directors also. So that is one of the best concept in organic chemistry. So one substituent is there, whether the substituent OP director or meta director, I will teach you. I will upload the videos. And the next one, two substituents also there, which is predominating, which is the dominating. Based on that also direction of direction of electrophile, in which case electrophile will come. So just I am giving one example. Coming videos I am going to give more detailed explanation. OP directors. Just one question I am giving here. See, this is benzene. For benzene, we are doing chlorination in presence of Lewis acid. Here, electrophile is chloronium ion. Electrophile will go, and this is benzene will give more substitution reactions like alkanes due to it's stabilized by resonance, right? So now this electrophile, here hydrogen is there, no? This hydrogen is replaced by this chlorine. What is the product here? Yes, chlorobenzene, no doubt. Chlorobenzene, you may write in the first position here or in here, any. all carbons are equivalent, all are sp2 hybridization. Any hydrogen you can replace with chlorine. The product name is chlorobenzene only. Suppose here no, you can take it as here first substituent 1 chlorobenzene, no problem. But suppose group is like this. Now this is the starting one, chlorobenzene. Now this is the starting one. But this one we are going to do chlorination, FeCl3. Here electrophile is no change, chlorine only. But see, so if there is no group on the benzene ring, the coming electrophile, it can orient in any carbon. It can go and attack on any carbon. But if somebody is there on benzene ring, this guy will decide the coming electrophile position. He is OP director. OP director. How it is OP director? So coming videos, I am giving explanation. So chlorine and ortho position chlorine will attack, and para position also chlorine will attack. So in organic chemistry, these rules, and the next one rearrangement questions, and the next one OP directors. This OP directors, single one substituent is there, Sometimes they will do two substituents also. Two substituents orientation effects. I'm going to upload. If you have command maximum organic chemistry, you feel comfortable. Afterwards, electronic effects. Okay, electronic effects, reaction intermediates also going to upload. Students, thanks for watching. Thank you.